Hello, I'm Amaryllis and today we will craft Christmas napkin rings with cardboard. Take a piece of cardboard and draw a square shape of 4 by 4 centimeters. With a cutter, cut the cardboard square shape. Cut more square out of the cardboard as you will need 4 identical shapes to make the napkin ring. Time to assemble the napkin ring. Take one cardboard square and apply glue on one edge. Press the second square next to it, forming a 90-degree angle. Then repeat to glue all 4 pieces to form a cube shape. The napkin ring shape is made. Grab any festive Christmas wrapping paper and cut a piece out of it enough to cover the napkin ring. Apply glue and wrap the paper all around the napkin ring. Press the corner so you have nice clean edges. Cut the paper next to the corner and fold it inside the napkin ring to have a nice finish. And of course you need to fold the paper in on both sides of the napkin ring. To make the napkin ring look like a little gift, you will use ribbon gift. Cut a first piece of ribbon, glue it and wrap it around the napkin ring. Then cut 2 small pieces that you will glue on top of the little gift to make the bow ends. Trim the ends of the ribbon to make a V shape. And glue them in place on top of the little napkin ring gift. Next, cut 2 other pieces in the ribbon to make the bow. Add some glue, make a loop with the ribbon and glue it on top of the gift. Then press the center so it makes a small bow. Then make a second loop, glue the end and glue it on the top of the gift to make a second little bow in the opposite direction. And this is how the Christmas napkin ring looks like. You can also add a piece of paper to cover the inside of the ring. It will look nicer. Pass a napkin through the napkin ring and enjoy decorating for Christmas. Thank you for watching. Please like and follow for more easy craft and DIY ideas.